In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use limit orders on SigmaBot. Now, if you've never tried SigmaBot for yourself, I'll actually include a link in the video description down below, and you can click that link to get started with SigmaBot today. Now, in order to limit orders, you must first find a contract address for a coin you're trying to buy. Now, this does also work for sales as well, however, I'll touch on that a bit later. So here's a contract address for a coin on Base, and let's just say we wanted to buy this at a lower price. As we can see right now, the market cap's 11,256,000, and let's say we wanted to buy this at 10 million market cap. What we could do is go down to the bottom left and click limit order, and from there the interface now looks like this. So the first thing you need to do is choose the price which you're trying to buy it at. So as you can see, there are some presets down here, so you can buy when it drops 10%, 33%, 50%, or you can choose your own market cap of your choice. So as I said, I wanted to buy it at 10 million market cap, so I could click market cap, and then I could type 10 million and click enter. As you can see, it now changes to 10M, and I've got a green circle next to it, which shows that this is selected. From there, you can increase the gas if you want to. It is going to cost more fees, but personally, I'm just going to leave it at 0.1. From there, the final thing you need to do is choose how much you want to spend. So let's just say I wanted to buy 0.005 worth. I can click on that, and it now creates our order. So we can see down here, when it drops to 10 million market cap, it will buy this much. We can also check this by typing /orders and clicking enter, and here we can see this order, and this is also how we can cancel this order. Okay, so now on to limit orders for selling. As you can see, I've now bought this coin, and let's just say I wanted to sell it when it hit 15 million market cap. We can go down to limit order again, and just like last time, we can select the percentages on the limit order, or we can type in the chosen market cap. So as I said, I chose 15 million, so I'm going to type in 15 million and click enter. And if we scroll back up, 15 million is now selected. So from there, you then have to choose how much you want it to sell when it hits this amount. And if you wanted to sell it all when it hit 15 million market cap in my case, I could click 100%. From there, the order now gets created. And again, we can type /orders, and we will now see that order right here. And we can also cancel it here as well. So that's how you can use limit orders on SigmaBot. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.